We are stirring the curry. We just added it to the pot, but we are about to make curry chicken wings. Now we are adding the chicken to the pot for some delicious curry chicken. Okay. Make sure to turn the chicken a bit so that you can make sure it is well covered. We are leaving the chicken to simmer and cook for a bit, so we are going to cover it. We added in some additional water to the curry chicken, so it is now simmering in a nice curry sauce. As you can see, the chicken has been simmering for 20 minutes. It is now ready, so we'll turn off the stove. And there you have it, a nice curry chicken.